This raincoat isn't made from rubber or plastic. The exterior isn't coated in wax. So how is it possible that this 100% cotton raincoat can keep me dry? The answer is literally woven into the fabric itself. This is Ventile cotton. It was developed in England ahead of World War II, and it was used extensively by the Royal Air Force before things like Gore-Tex were invented. So what makes Ventile different than every other cotton weave? Well, unlike most cotton fabrics, Ventile is woven incredibly tightly, and the yarn that's used in that weave is A, spun incredibly tight, and B, made up of long staple cotton fibers. They're a lot stronger and lead to a lot smoother of a yarn. That combination of a tight weave and a tightly spun fiber means that the gaps between the warp and the weft fiber are incredibly small. And since cotton is such an absorbent fabric, it means that the second that any water hits Ventile, those cotton fibers expand to the point where all the gaps between the fiber where water would normally be let in are closed, meaning there needs to be a significant amount of water exposure for any to absorb through. Now, obviously there's a reason why Gore-Tex and wax cotton are still used, and that's because Ventile isn't 100% waterproof. Its pros are that it's incredibly durable, it doesn't need to be recoated or treated, it's also quiet and not very crinkly like a lot of synthetics, so a lot of hunters and birdwatchers like to use it. And if you value garments that are made with natural fibers, get better with age, and really appreciate longevity, then it might be worth looking into some Ventile garments. The one I'm wearing in this video is from American Trench, and there are tons of really interesting Ventile pieces that you can find on the secondhand market. I'm Nolan Daniel White. As always, thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.